Greetings, YouTubers. I hate unboxing videos as much as everybody else, but I gotta do this one because just like the Starlink unboxing video I did, this Starlink item came in an equally cool box. So, got this little box right here. And what's in here is that device and an instruction card. Now, what's really cool about this is mailman's probably going to look at you funny because it says Space Exploration Technology Corporation. I mean, how cool is it to receive a box that says something like that? So, what it is, this is the adapter that plugs into your Starlink. And this lets you, once I figure out how this thing comes apart, there we go. This plugs into your Starlink and gives you a network jack. So it goes in line with the cable that comes from outside of your house to your router box. And then it continues on to the router box. And there's your network port. So why would you use this? You want extended coverage. You want to use a different Wi-Fi router, what have you. What I find really cool is, if you're a space nerd, you might relate to this. So, this is all you get. And as soon as I saw this, the first thing I thought about was the Voyager spacecraft and the instructions on the golden disc. So, you have pictures showing you how the thing connects. You have nothing else. Because really, you don't need nothing else. Just follow the pictures and you'll be able to hook this thing up. And it seems to be nicely made. Nice quality cable. It's got a nice seal on it. Overall, just like my experience with other Starlink hardware, it's really well made. And don't be a sucker. People are selling these things on eBay for like $35. Go to Starlink. It was $17. And it comes in this nifty box that'll make your mailman wonder, who the hell is this guy? So absolutely recommend purchasing it through Starlink. Don't get bamboozled and buy it from somebody who's marking it up on eBay or Amazon. That is all.